Hello friends! Welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. My name is Nina. What's your name? Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Are you ready to sing our good morning song? Make your arms into a circle out in front like this. Raise them up high and back out in front of you. Now let's sing. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning so far. And I haven't seen you in quite a couple of days. Do you remember what we do after our good morning song? You're right. We move on to our calendar and weather chart. Let's see. The month is December 28th and the year is 2020. Wow. The chip is all the way at the number 23. That was the last time that we had circle time together. So that means that we can move our chip from the number 23 all the way down to the number 28, because today is the 28th day of December. Are you ready to count all the days that we've had so far? All right, we need to warm up those counting fingers. We have a lot of days. Are you ready? Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Wow, look at that. It's almost the end of the month. We only have a couple more days left in the month of December. Are you ready to sing the days of the week with me? Here we go. Hold up 7 fingers like this. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's see. Yesterday was Sunday. That means that today is Monday. You're right. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Great job, friends. But today is Monday. Today is Monday, today is Monday, today is Monday all day long. Today is Monday, today is Monday, today is Monday all day long. Now let's move back up here to the weather and the season. Do you see the season? Yes, it's winter. And look at this. The picture up here matches my picture down here. That means that it's time for our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? And look at this. Like I said before, my pictures are the same. Do you see what it is? It's that white stuff that falls from the sky in the winter. Yes, it's snow. For the past couple of days, it's been snowing a lot at my house. It's not snowing too hard today, it's just flurrying. That means that it's a light snow that's falling. Does it snow at your house? Or is it sunny and hot where you live? And because it's snowing, that means that the temperature is cold. It's cold and snowy today. Now usually after we do our weather, we do the number and the letter of the week. But this week, we are going to be learning all about different shapes. So right here, I have this shape. This is the shape that we will be talking about today. Does anybody know what shape this is? Let's see. It goes around and around and around. Do you know what that's called? Excellent! It is a circle. Can you draw a circle with me in the air like this? Around and around and around and around. This is a circle. Friends, have you ever heard of the game I Spy? I Spy is a really fun game where you use your eyes to find different things. Would you like to play a game of I Spy with me and find more circles? Draw a circle like this if you're ready to play I Spy. All right. Circle, circle. Here we go. Our shape of the day is a circle. So today, you are going to use your eyes to try and find all of the circles that you see on my work tray. I will give you some hints once the game starts. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I spy with my little eyes 4 circles. So each time you find a circle on my work tray, lightly tap the screen or point with your finger. So you're looking for 4 circles. Have you found any yet? Are you ready for your first hint? I spy with my little eyes a circle that is the color orange. Do you see it now? There it is. Good work. Now you're looking for 3 other circles. Here is your next hint. I spy with my little eyes a circle that is the color pink. Keep looking. Have you found it yet? Good work. You found the pink bowl in the shape of a circle. Now you're using your eyes to find 2 more circles. Any luck? Okay, here's your next hint. I spy with my little eyes a circle that is the color black. That's it, a black lid. And that means that there is only 1 circle left. Do you see it? Hooray! You found the last circle, which was a roll of tape. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time. This week, we are going to be talking about the 5 senses. Have you ever heard of the 5 senses before? Some of you have. Our 5 senses allow us to use specific parts of our body to observe our surroundings and our environment. So can you count with me first? We're going to hold up 5 fingers like this because we have 5 senses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any idea as to what some of our 5 senses are? You're right, our sense of sound. Now, when we hear things, what parts of our body do we use? Your ears. Can I see your ears like this? Can you wiggle them? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. We use our ears for our sense of sound. Now, what about when we want to touch things? You can touch your knees, you can touch your shoulders. What body parts do you use for your sense of touch? Your hands. But you can use other parts of your body for your sense of touch, like your feet. When you walk around, you're touching the ground. So we have our sense of sound, our sense of touch. What about this? When you smell something, what do you use? Your nose. So we have our sense of smell. What about when you taste something, what do you use? Your mouth for your sense of taste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. We have one more sense. Do you know what it could be? Your eyes. We have our eyes for our sense of sight. Just like we used our eyes to play I Spy. You used your eyes to find all different types of circles. So let's go over that one more time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 senses. We have our sense of sound, our sense of touch, our sense of taste, our sense of smell, and our sense of sight. That's what we're going to be talking more about today, and that's what our work tray activity has to do with. Are you ready to see the work tray activity? All right, here we go. Do you remember which sense we're going to be talking about today? That's right, our sense of sight. And what do we use for our sense of sight? What body part do we use to see? Your eyes, very good friends. Now some people have trouble seeing, so they wear something called glasses like me. I have trouble seeing things that are far away, so I use my glasses to help me see better. Can you think of something else that's used to help you see things that are far away? It's a type of a tool. They're called binoculars. And today for work, we are going to be making a set of binoculars. So for today's work, you will need 2 toilet paper rolls or 1 paper towel roll. And all you have to do is cut it in half, like I did. I want you to use markers or stickers and decorate the outsides. Can you see how my son decorated these binoculars? He used some markers, some stickers, and you also need some glue. So after you cut the paper towel roll in half, I want you to take your glue stick and glue it on the inside like this and press it together until it dries. So my son made this pair of binoculars a couple of hours ago, and he put some glue on the inside and pressed it together. Then he left it in a place to dry. And look at that, it's all dry. And now you can go around and look through your pair of binoculars. It will help you see things that are far away. Today we started talking about our 5 senses, and specifically we learned about our sense of sight today. But there are 4 other senses that we'll talk more about this week. Do you remember what they were? I'll give you a hint. What is it called when we use our ears? Which sense is that? You're right, our sense of sound. What's another? What about when we use our noses? Our sense of smell. Now, what about when we use our hands or our feet? Our sense of touch. And when we use our mouth, we are using our sense of taste. Those are our 5 senses, friends. I hope that you have fun using your binoculars to help you see things that may be far away. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get a new video that is posted every weekday morning. I am also teaching live and interactive classes on outschool.com, so make sure to check those out. We have one more song to sing before we go. Wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a good day, everybody. See you tomorrow.